Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making turkey burgers. We love burgers in our house, but you also want to limit the amount of times you eat beef every week. So this is a great alternative, delicious, and a little bit lighter as well. Let's get started. Our ingredient list is pretty simple. We have a pound of dark ground turkey, some chopped onions, some breadcrumbs, ketchup, which is actually really important in the burger. And then we have our sides. We have some Thousand Island dressing, cheese, tomato, onion, and we're gonna have this burger today not on a bun, but on a lettuce wrap. And in addition, we have some sprouts. To my meat, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of very finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, about a teaspoon of salt, a good grind of pepper, a little squirt of ketchup, and I'm going to mix all that together. Now I'm going to divide my meat into 3 equal portions. That looks about right. And then you don't want to mush these together too strongly. You want to pat them so they just hold together, but you don't want to mush them. If you do, your patty is going to be a little bit tougher than it needs to be. So that's nice and loose. And we'll do another one. And you can actually let this sit out for 10 or 15 minutes before you start frying. The closer it is to room temperature, the more easily and uniformly it's going to cook. All right, let's get the pan heating. I have about 2 teaspoons of oil in my pan, and I really want them literally smoking hot. That's going to give the burgers a really nice sear and caramelization at the beginning. And then as the pan recovers the heat, I'm going to just keep an eye on it. I don't want the oil to smoke here. If I see the oil smoking, I'm going to turn the heat down to about medium-high. And we'll get this side cooking for about 3 minutes. That looks good right there. Now I'm going to flip these burgers over, and now I'm going to turn the heat down to medium-low because I want the burger to cook all the way through without getting burned on the bottom. This is turkey. It needs to actually be cooked thoroughly. You don't want a medium-rare turkey burger like you would a regular burger. At this point, I'm also going to layer on the cheese. Burgers have been going for a total of about 9 minutes, and they're good to go. You can see they look cooked, and when you push down on them, they spring back, which means they're cooked through and through. These are ready to plate. All right, let's get these things together. All right. As you can see, these are absolutely beautiful. And so I'm going to start with a leaf of lettuce here, and I really think that Thousand Island dressing is the key to a good burger, so I'm going to put some here on the bottom of this leaf. Grab one of the burgers, just like that. And then we're going to put our fixins on top. Do a tomato, some onions, a little dollop more of Thousand Island dressing. For those of you who like sprouts, like I do, some sprouts on top here. And get this thing folded over. There you go. A turkey burger lettuce wrap. Healthy, delicious, light, and not beef. Enjoy.